Bara ya kuhurana mururumo wa gatatu wa murimu wa covid-19 igithia na mbere, thirikari ya kaunti ya Kisumu ni hutitio ni tharikira njeru cia murimu uyu muthemba uria ugumiire bururi wa India, kuona riu andu 8 ni mekiritwo mukonde kurwara mwena ucio. Gavana wa kaunti yo Anyang' Nyong'o augite thirikari yake koretwo ikirutaniria niguo gutigirira muthemba umwe wa virus duratamba, na ni undu woguo andu angi 100 aria marerikana maya gukorwo mahutanitie na arwaru eru ni maigitwo keheri-ini.
The COVID-19 Indian variant has been tamed and subdued. Soon after cases of variant were reported around Kibos, the county government's health department moved with speed and put the confirmed cases under tightly monitored isolation, and I personally was in communication with the Minister of Health to brief them every step of the way that we were taking.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Siaya namba ya arwaru a murimu wa covid-19 irerikana kuongerereka gikiro, kuona murimu uyu urerikana gutamba na gicunji kia 26 hari 100, amu gatagati ga tariki 12 na 19 mweri uyu andu 85 ni marwarite kuma kuri ithimi 325, undu uria ni mugaru na hau kabere, na gukinyiria riu namba ya arwaru othe kaunti-ini iyo ikinyite 1,107.
I reiterate that the numbers that turn positive from the samples we test has consistently been high in the recent past, going by the daily positivity rate reports that we receive. This confirms the reality that COVID-19 is now deeply embedded within our communities.
Niguo kuhitana na gutamba kwa murimu, thirikari ya Siaya ni yambiririe gutacokia makinya matiganite ta gubundithia muingi matauni-ini ciigie murimu na mororo maguo, oro hamwe na njira iria aikari mangithema naguo, na oho aria marionekanaga muingi-ini matari na mask ciao magukorwo magitacokirio makinya ma watho. Andu angi 659 ni arwaru eru a covid-19 mathaini 24 mahituku kuma kuri ithimi 7,962, na hari namba ino athuri ni 468 na atumia ni 195, na uria munini muno ari mwana wa mweri umwe na mukuru ari wa miaka 100. Ihinda-ini riu andu angi 109 ni mahonete murimu na gukinya namba ya aria othe mahonete 114,398, guku na andu angi 3 magikua kumana na murimu uyu na gukinya ikuo ciothe 343. Gukinyiria riu namba ya andu aria mamundĩtwo njanjo ya murimu wa covid-19 irugamire andu 951 na 26. Ngiri 4 TV Jitagwo Kate Muthoni.